My name is Michael East. I'm the Managing Director of the Eastcastle Management Group. I started the consultancy because I had this very serious offer from a large tour operator to join them, and I also was doing one or two bits and pieces for other smaller companies, and I much preferred the bits and pieces, frankly. So I decided I'd be a consultant and build a consultancy business. And I went into partnership with a guy, and we had our offices in Eastcastle Street, in just off Oxford Street, and after a year we fell out badly. And I decided to leave, and I set up a new company. And while I was thinking about it, sitting in those offices, what I would call the company, I looked across the road, this is completely true, and there was the sign saying Eastcastle Street. So I thought, that's it, Eastcastle. But it's been unfortunate because everybody asked me, who is Mr. Castle? The business of Eastcastle has evolved over the years. The core is still advising companies on strategy, advising companies on how to do better business, I hope. And increasingly, over the past few years, a lot of activity in the buying and selling of companies on behalf of owners. Running alongside those companies are three other entities within Eastcastle. Argyle Recruitment, which is a well-known recruitment company, which tends to specialise in the middle and upper end of the marketplace. Kingley Event Management, which is, I think, a very successful event management business, both in creating events for itself, and we have a number of those, and also running other events for other people. I'm off to Cannes next week because we have a big event down there for the duty-free industry. And e-tid. I launched e-tid as TID, Travel Industry Digest, as a hard copy publication, once a week publication, which went out on faxes. Do you remember faxes? And then when the E came along, we created e-tid. It goes out 6 times a week because we have a weekend update, and it goes to about 11,500 people a day. Within Eastcastle, those 3 businesses, Argyle, e-tid and Kingley, are all growing businesses. Argyle, we are continuing to focus on the upper end of the market in terms of recruitment, and spending a little bit more time now in actually advising companies about the sort of customer, the sort of client that they might want. And that is important, you know. Kingley, we've grown the number of events again. We are increasingly doing more work for third parties because that's good. We have a lot of expertise, experience there, which we're taking to third parties, both within the industry and outside now. And e-tid, we've refocused it quite a lot, and you will see over the next couple of months quite a lot of change within e-tid, not so much in what it presents, but the things it does alongside. It's a wonderful tool for promotion. On the consultancy side, there have been changes in the industry, and as I said before, a lot of the work now is evolving around how do we run our business better rather than buying and selling. Because buying and selling companies has died away for all sorts of reasons over the last couple of years. One, because good companies can't get the money they want for it, because the prices they keep looking at, well, look what he got in 2006, 2007, yes, but you're not going to get those again. And also other companies are looking more to set up their businesses better rather than buy in from the outside. And there's less investment coming from the outside because people are nervous about the whole sector of consumer spend, although the money is still there. So many investors have money to spend, but they're worried about consumer spend activity.